Can you briefly share your thought on the Black Lives Matter movement? And then, if not BLM, do you have any idea what a more productive approach to race relations in the U.S. would look like?
Well, Obama's been a spectacular disaster for race relations. Obama basically hasn't done anything for 8 years. It would have been nice, however, if somebody had done something. It would have been nice if he had done Black Lives Matter, because the only effect of it is blacks in flames. Now, you can say, and some of you may disagree with this, I think the black community, terrible expression, I think blacks in this country are still owed something from slavery. I think there is a legacy that is still with them. I think they have, I think they have some valid grievances. Black Lives Matter is not the answer. Black Lives Matter encourages people into victim grievance culture, encourages them to blame the white man, encourages them to burn down their own cities, rather than encouraging them to heart the American dream, take control of their destiny, rather than encouraging them to get to college, to have stable nuclear families, which we know is the best possible start in life for children, rather than encouraging them to take responsibility for their own behavior and their own actions, encourages them to act out, to have tantrums, and to blame other people for their problems. That, I don't believe, is the right direction for blacks in America. If you want to start improving race relations, you have to, I think the Conservative needs to come up with a strong, fun, attractive, inspirational alternative to Black Lives Matter, to show black people who don't know, who think this might be the way to fix the problems they see when they walk out their front door, that this movement is spiteful and toxic and hateful, racist, based on lies, and it will get you anything. Your local high street in flames. Thank you. Your local high street in flames.